Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about the application of Ampere's law to find out the value of strength of magnetic field due to a straight infinity length conducting wire. For example, this is a wire. The amount of current passing through this wire here point X, point Y. The directions current I flow from X to Y. From any point O in on this wire XY from distance R, there is a point P where we are interested to find out the strength of magnetic field. Now, this is very complicated to find out the magnetic field due to a single and infinite length conducting wire by using Biot law. So, Ampere's law is very good applicable and find out the strength of magnetic field in very easy sense. So, what we will do, let us consider, we suppose that the magnetic field at this point is B. According to right hand's law, if we take a conducting wire in right hand, then the current flows in the directions of this way. The produced magnetic field will be in circular along to the directions of finger. So in easy way we can see that here the wire XY, the current I, this is our point P which is taken into account. So the directions of magnetic field is in a circular directions in this manner. So here we take a infinitesimal small part of path and the direction of B, and let us consider the length of this infinitesimal curve is dl. Now applying the direction of dl will be along to B. So whenever we apply Ampere's law, then in here what will be happen, the integrations b dot dl equal to the closed path integration b dl cos 0. Cos 0 means that angle between magnetic field and curve taken under considered is equal to 0. So now we apply integrations by solving, then what will happen, the extent of being magnetic field B is a constant here because it is uniformly and has same distance of radius of this circle. So the value of B is constant and the closed path integration of a circle which has a radius r will equal to be 2 pi r. So we will have in this equation B into 2 pi r equal to mu 0 into summation I. Here we have only the single wire, so there is the summation I will equal to be, then we have summation I equal to capital I. So B 2 pi r equal to mu 0 I. Now we are interested to find out the value of magnetic field. So B will equal to B mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. This is the value of magnetic field produced by a conducting wire which conducts current I from downwards to upwards. The direction of magnetic field is very pretty and along to right hand thumbs. On the right side, the magnetic field will be perpendicular to this paper inwards side. On the other hand, the left side, the magnetic field will be outwards from this plane of paper. In next lecture, we will find out how can we calculate the magnetic field due to a solenoid. Thank you.